Alright, it's pretty straightforward. I wish they just... Let's see, can't this be... Isn't this the same? I wonder what the difference is there. Yeah, I see. So this is an example of... I mean, this definitely somewhat... I mean, this definitely can be refactored because this essentially is two pieces of code that is copied, right? The LM would do that, but why would it... Well... See, let me... I mean, just an interesting take on this problem, right? What it did here was it decided to, like, you know, there's two situations that I need to take care of, right? There's the create new what version and update what version. So this is essentially the same code, right? And I would so for a novice programmer would not have caught this, right? What would happen is this would just get committed and that's it. But what will happen? Like, why is this? Is this important? Does this matter? Like, it still works, right? The code works. Yeah, the code works. But what will happen when you need to update? When you need to update this code, well, what will happen is if you forget to update the code in one place, you might forget about this. Or if you have a different developer that's come into the project and is working on this, and then they don't realize or forget that there's create and there's an update. Like, this is a typical, like, in this situation it would have been easily, like, I would have easily like created a method just to handle this, right? And yeah. Oh shit. One, yeah. And I mean, I don't need to, right? But why not? Oh, I wonder why this doesn't work. I want to add this, add to chat, but it doesn't. Okay. I mean, unless Carson knew that this is just the same piece of code. Why is it not? Okay, please review this piece of code, which has been reused in duplicated. Let's see what we'll do. Yeah, so why didn't do that? I don't know. Maybe it's just, maybe the fact is there's a lot of code in its small to understand that this isn't necessary. I don't know. It's a learn to not deal with this, maybe. Who knows? Is this a good way to program? I don't think so. I mean, this is an easy one to catch, and you should have just done it. Like, I would have done it if I was just programming. Like, I wouldn't have let it go because yeah, because yeah, I'm just wondering why there's so many lint. Yeah, so that was an easy, easy fix. Yeah, well, I mean, maybe I didn't define it somewhere, but like right now, like how like this experience here would make me think like I'm working with a very junior, like not very junior, but a junior developer, right? Like they didn't even, like, this is not a senior level developer that would have done this. Did it write tests?